It's time for Tap That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro. Good to have you back in the ring, Phil. Here we go with round number one, copper crisis. An analyst believes that copper could reach $10 per pound. I want a penny for your thoughts.
$10 a pound. I'm going to melt down all my pennies right now.
Well, I'm going to go down the alleys because people are throwing out their TVs and they don't recycle the TVs. All they do is take the copper out of the back of the TVs. That's the only thing of value in those old box TVs.
Really?
It's a whole other story. But copper's breaking out or near breaking out. We're seeing a breakout in silver. I think silver has more potential. Copper's been trading between 3 and 330 since August. That target's 360, and that's upside. Now, $10 a pound is how much per ton?
Times tons, so you're talking about tons, there's 650. You're talking about
we got a long ways to go. We got a long ways to go.
The global economy is on fire right now. We're going to need a lot of copper to build pipelines, green energy projects. So copper is going to tighten up in a few years. It's not going to happen overnight.
We were at 450 in 2010,
yeah,
so it hasn't been that long ago. Silver's breaking out. Been trade between 1550 and 1750. If you can get above that 1750 level again, 1950. And let's remember, we were at $50 just a few years ago.
I think you'll take a shine to our next question. Round number two, pace race. This week, the Fed hiked interest rates. So, how many more rate hikes are left this year? One more or two more?
Two more. I've said that long before the Federal Reserve said that.
Yes, you did.
I did. Thank you very much. I actually said there could be 5, so I wouldn't even take 5 off the table. Maybe 3 more increases.
Okay, so
it's a possibility.
When I wrote this question, the Fed hadn't come up with their hawkish statement. So what happened was there's going to be a rate hike in September. That's a done deal. It's 80-some% probability. Now the probability for December has gone from 40%, high 30s, low 40s, now up to 60-some%. So now it looks like you are right. But what I'm going to say is it doesn't matter. The market doesn't care. We know this. The market knows it. It's not going to stop the bull market. And let's remember, we are in a bull market.
Here's your question for round number 3. Beer here. Some analysts at Deutsche Bank use the cost of beer to measure the cost of living around the globe. But do you drink up shares of Deutsche Bank or a beer stock?
Pick Deutsche Bank or a beer company.
S.A. Miller. South African brewery, Miller, SAB Miller. I like that because beer prices are high in some cities. They have a lot of great cheap brands. I would go with the SAB Miller.
Tap. That's
They're
Molson
tapped
Coors.
out. They're totally tapped out.
They've dove from 110 down to 60.
Yeah.
The 60 is a support level that they broke out in 2014.
Okay.
So lean on this 60 level. We bounced 10% already to 66 in the last couple of sessions.
Here's your bonus round question for today. This is a big weekend for golf with the U.S. Open. So how much money will the winner take home? It's the closest to the pin game.
You ready?
I say $2 million.
You're going to say $2 million? Yeah. I'm going to say $4 million.
You are the winner.
Thank you.
Alan Nuckman.
Boo!
Oh,
all right, boo.
Now she tricked you.
That was a trick.
That was good.
That was a trick.
Thank you, guys. Business First AM continues right after this.